Imagine this. You're standing in front of your own R50 lakh house. No EMI, no debt, no bank calling you every month. It's 100% yours. Sounds impossible, right? Well, for most people, the idea of buying a home without a loan feels like a fantasy. We've been taught that unless you take a 20-year home loan and pay interest for half your life, you can't own a house. But is that really the only way? Or is there another path? Slower, maybe, but smarter. Let's be honest. Buying a R50 lakh house in India without a loan is not common. Most of us depend on home loans because property prices are high and incomes are limited. But today, in this video, I want to challenge that belief. I want to explore a bold question. Can an average middle-class person actually own a decent home, worth 50 lakhs, without borrowing a single rupee? Cut to visuals. Banks, loan advertisements, EMI calculators, stress faces. Then contrast it with calm visuals of a peaceful home, happy family. You see, owning a house without debt isn't just about money. It's about mindset, planning, sacrifice, and patience. And most importantly, it's about understanding how wealth actually grows when you stay away from interest traps. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through how this dream can be turned into a reality. We'll talk about practical strategies, real-life examples, and smart financial decisions that can help you buy a 50 lakh home, completely loan-free. And don't worry, I won't sell you a shortcut or some get-rich-quick scheme. What I'll show you is real, honest, and proven. But yes, it requires commitment. So, if you're someone who wants to live debt-free, if you're tired of the idea of paying banks for 20 to 25 years, and if you truly believe that your dream, home, should be yours, fully and completely, then stay with me till the end of this video. Now let's get into the real question. How can someone buy a R50 lakh house without a loan? It sounds impossible, but it's not. The key is to have a solid plan and start early. There's no shortcut here. It takes discipline, patience, and smart money habits. But with a clear strategy, it can be done. Cut to whiteboard, overlay graphics with each point as you explain. Step 1. Start saving early and consistently. Even if you start with RE 5,000 or Rs 10,000 a month, the earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. It's not about how much you save, it's about how regularly you do it. Step 2. Invest smartly. Don't just let your money sit in a savings account. Use tools like mutual funds, SIPs, index funds, or even recurring deposits. A consistent SIP of worth 10,000 month for the 10 to 12 years could potentially grow into Rs 20 to 25 lakhs or more. Step 3. Live below your means-cut unnecessary expenses. Delay the urge to upgrade your phone, car, or lifestyle. Every rupee saved today is a brick in your future home. Step 4. Choose your location wisely. Everyone wants to live in the city center, but that's where prices are highest. Instead, look at growing suburbs, outskirts, or even Tier 2 cities where properties are affordable and development is rising. Step 5. Build in phases. You don't have to buy a ready-made bungalow. Buy a plot first. Then construct the house, slowly, one floor at a time as per your budget. Many families do this and avoid loans completely. You, closing the scene. Remember, this journey won't be easy or fast. But if you're committed and you follow this plan step by step, buying a R50 lakh home without a loan is not just a dream. It's a realistic goal. Text overlay on screen. Discipline plus strategy. C. Debt-free homeownership. You, speaking. To camera. Let me introduce you to someone like you and me. A man named Rajiv. He's not a millionaire, not a startup founder. He's a regular IT professional from Pune with a simple dream: to own a home. completely debt-free. Cut to visuals. Early mornings. Rajiv commuting to work, having tea at home, noting expenses in a diary. At the age of 26, Rajiv made a bold decision. Instead of rushing into a loan like many of his peers, he decided to wait. He focused on saving and investing steadily every month. He started with $8,000 per month into mutual funds, through SIPs. As his salary grew, so did his contributions. He resisted lifestyle inflation. No luxury car, no unnecessary gadgets, no impulsive spending. Show infographics, SIP calculator results, slow compound growth over 10 years. Over 10 years, through consistency and patience, Rajiv saved and invested nearly Rs 12 to 15 lakhs. Thanks to the power of compounding, his portfolio grew to Rs 30 plus lakhs. In year 11, he used part of that money to buy a plot just outside Pune. Then, instead of building the entire house at once, he started construction in phases. Ground floor. First. No pressure, no EMI. Cut to visuals. Family doing housewarming. Rajiv entering his finished home with a smile. By the time Rajiv turned 38, he had a fully completed home worth around 50 lakhs. And guess what? Not a single rupee was borrowed from the bank. You, looking into the camera. Rajiv's story proves one thing. Patience, plums, planning, power. While others were trapped in EMI cycles, Rajiv quietly built wealth and freedom. If he can do it, so can you. It's not about being rich, it's about being wise. Text overlay on screen. A debt-free home isn't a dream. It's a plan with a timeline. So, after everything we've discussed, let me ask you again. Can you buy a Rs 50 lakh house without a loan? Yes, you absolutely can. But it's not about luck or shortcuts. It's about mindset and consistency. You don't need to earn lakhs every month. What you need is clarity, patience, and the discipline to stick to your financial plan. Start small, start early, and stay focused. Whether it takes 8 years or 12, the day you hold the keys to your own fully paid home, that feeling is priceless. Cut to visual montage. A person depositing money in a bank, reviewing an investment app, checking off goals on a whiteboard. Look, it's easy to follow the crowd, to take loans, chase trends, and live beyond your means. But the real winners are those who choose a different path, a debt-free path, a path where you're not owned by EMIs, but by your own discipline and smart choices. You're not too late. You're not too behind. No matter where you are right now, you can start building this future today. You, looking sincerely at the camera. So, what's stopping you? The dream is real, and so is the plan. All it needs is a decision, and once you decide, I promise, your journey to a debt-free home becomes the most powerful story you'll ever live. If you found value in this video, hit the like button. It really helps more people find this kind of honest financial content. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life money strategies, home ownership guides, and inspiration for smart living. Text overlay on screen. Build smart. Live free. Your dream home is closer than you think.